In this video, I will guide you on how to get new 2026 emojis on Samsung. The first thing you want to do is launch open settings on your device. Now you want to scroll all the way down and tap software update. Here tap on download and install. Now check if there is any update available. If there is, go ahead and install the latest version of Android. After updating, your device gets support for new emojis. Now we want to head back over to settings and tap on general management. Here select Samsung keyboard. Now find the option of suggest emojis and toggle this option on. Now scroll all the way down and tap on about Samsung keyboard. Here you want to check if Samsung keyboard is updated to the latest version. If it is not, you simply want to update it. Once you have updated it, now open any app that requires keyboard. Now go ahead and tap on this emoji icon right here, and now you should be able to see all the new emojis over here. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.